change. Remember if you're hurting along the way, that I am still right here. I'll always be right here. The light is on, so when you're ready, come home. Come home. Come back home to me. I remember that feeling. I remember it well. The pain had me reeling. Felt like hell. You're only human. We still get afraid. So when you're walking through it, know you have a place. And I will be right here. I'll always be right here. The light is on, so when you're ready, come home. Come home. Come back home to me. I'm still right here. I'll always be right here. The light is on, so when you're ready, come home. Come back home to me. Come home. Come home. Come back home to me. It's hollow in my chest, weighing since you left. Images that taunt me. The ghost of you still haunts me. Is there any way I can make this pain go away? This could end me. This could end me. This could end me. But I'm still standing. This could end me. This could end me. This could end me. But I'm still standing. It's hollow in my bones. Nowhere is my home. Nothing satisfies me. I'm tired of just surviving. What if I've gone mad and I can't find This could end me. This could end me, oh, but I'm still standing. Look where we are. We've made it far. The overgrowth is breaking apart as we walk, as we run. Hold on to me and let's chase the sun. You're gonna make it, gonna change and it's okay. Through all the phases, night still brings the dawn. You're gonna make it, gonna change and it's okay. Through all the phases, night still brings the dawn. You're gonna make it, gonna change and it's okay. Through all the phases, night still brings the dawn. Don't look empty spaces, trying to find the words to say this. I am tired of stages telling me that I'll be better when I'm not. I'm here, I know we used to have it all. No, I'm not, I'm here, wish I could have broke this fall. I need you now. I don't care how. I would do anything. I need to talk to you somehow. I need you now. beginning. To think the storm that shook me wasn't the ending. That maybe saving, she's hiding inside the breaking and the aching. I'm feeling the weight of love and the emptiness when you lose it. But I won't trade my life to feel safe, so I choose love. I choose love. This heart is still beating. Just got to breathe in, breathe out. My hope is still healing. Just got to breathe in, breathe out. I get restless, 'cause I can't pretend I've got answers for all of my questions. Grief is a friend and we talk in my head. Is this reckless or accept?